Welcome. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of deleting all your browsing data on Google Chrome. Whether you're looking to clear out old history for privacy reasons or just want to tidy up your browser, this step-by-step guide will help you do just that. First, open your Chrome browser. You can do this by clicking on the Chrome icon on your desktop or in your Applications folder. Once it's open, you'll notice the familiar interface ready for you to explore the web. Next, look towards the top right corner of the browser window. Here, you'll see 3 vertical dots stacked on top of each other. This is the menu button. Click on these dots to open a drop-down menu that provides various options related to your browser settings. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can adjust many aspects of your browsing experience. On the left side of the screen, you will find several categories. Click on Privacy and Security to access options related to your data and security settings. Now that you're in the Privacy and Security section, locate and click on Delete Browsing Data. This will open a new dialog box where you can choose what data you wish to remove from your browser. In this dialog box, you'll see several options for what types of data can be deleted. You can select browsing history, cookies and other site data, and cached images and files among others. Make sure to check the boxes next to the types of data you want to delete. If you're looking to start fresh, consider selecting all available options. After you've made your selections, it's time to decide how much history you want to delete. You can choose from options like last hour, last 24 hours, or even all time if you're looking for a complete reset. Once you've made your choices, click on the Delete Data button. And just like that, all selected browsing data will be removed from your Google Chrome browser. This process not only helps in maintaining your privacy but also improves browser performance by clearing out unnecessary files. Thank you for following along. Now you know how to delete all browsing data on Google Chrome easily and effectively.